If you're tired of constantly charging your pool robot, the iGarden K70 might actually be worth the hype. I've looked at what this thing can do, and honestly, the biggest standout is that 7-hour battery life. That's insane for a cordless robotic pool cleaner, especially at around $699. Performance-wise, it's seriously impressive. The turbo suction mode handles leaves, acorns, bugs, pretty much anything you'd expect in a messy pool. And unlike cheaper robots that just bounce around randomly, the K70 uses smart 3D path planning, so it actually cleans efficiently. It also climbs walls, scrubs the waterline, and has a huge 4-liter top loading basket, so you're not emptying it every 5 minutes. The AI scheduling is another win. You can set it to clean every 24, 48, or 72 hours and basically forget about it. Now, it's not perfect. It's a little heavy when pulling it out, and really tight corners or steps might still need a quick manual touch-up. But overall, if you've got a medium to large pool and want a premium cordless cleaner without constant charging headaches, the iGarden K70 is absolutely worth your money.